Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to change, how to enable Classic Keymap keyboard shortcut for TalkBacks, the default option also, and where to find it. So, first of all, settings. Next in settings we are looking for accessibility and convenience, then accessibility. Then at the top here we have these tabs, so we need to go to the Vision one, then TalkBack. Now in the top right corner here we have this cog menu which we need to open, and then we need to scroll to the advanced settings. In advanced settings we are looking for our keyboard shortcuts, here they are, and here we have choose a keymap option. So here we have two presets, we have the Classic Keymap and we have the default one, and that's pretty much it. I hope it was helpful, and goodbye.